Okay, that's East Asia Games. Look at all that construction everywhere. So we're basically going to go up on that hill. You see that hill to the right side? I just recently found out that I can go up there, and I'm going to go by a prison as well. So we're going to meander in this area of Taipa, not too far from East Asia Games, which is this big arena right here. And the Cotai Strip is over there as well. And we are going to get sidetracked up that hill. And we're going to get some pretty good views, and you're going to see exactly what it looks like from up on top of there. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll bring the camera the whole trip with me. Another little side of Macau for you that you might not know about. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So okay, so right up there you can see where we're gonna go, because you can see that road up there, that kind of cement up there. And over here are some of the casinos. This one is Lisboa. There's another name for it too, but they have the skydiving in this one. And this is all new. This was built during the COVID era. The street was here before, but we're gonna go. Oh, follow me. There's Lisboa. There's Lisboa to the left, and that big one is they call it Grand Palace. Oh, I gotta go this way. I gotta get on top of this bridge right here. And then you can see to the left of me is kind of like a some big empty lot basically. But you can see the Cotai Strip, you can see the MGM in the background there. So this is basically the context of where we are as we drive over here. And then there's a landfill over here. You can see that on this side, the landfill. And then over here is Grand Lisboa Palace is the name of that one, the full name, Grand Lisboa Palace. So that's that one right there. And then you can also see the Wind Palace coming up here. And then that's Grand Taipa, that big mountain up there. So that overlooks the airport. That's actually really nice to go up there too. Actually, there's so many mountains here. I could do some driving videos where I just go from mountain to mountain and give you the views from the top. But we're gonna do the one over behind me. So and this happens to be how we're gonna do it. But this is a side of Macau that a lot of people don't really see. So I think it has some value to it. That blue car on the right is a student driver. And this road, when you're driving it, there's a lot of student drivers, there's a lot of construction. So you'll see like this thing right in front of me, it looks like salvaged metals from car accidents. So yeah, this kind of, this to the left, there's like landfill, there's a lot of kind of city stuff. And then that one ahead is like a giant factory. Kind of industrial smokestack kind of thing. And we're going to take the sign that says to Kaho and Koloan. I'm going to see how this does. See, I need to be on the bridge, so. Okay, so, and I think that's actually a prison. That white one, I believe, is a prison. You can see a prison guard up there. So we're going to be going behind that and then going up and around, and then you can see all that straight ahead. I guess I need to clean this up a little bit. So we're going to be going up there and showing the view. And then there's a church over there, and I don't know how to get to that one. I've seen it for a long time, but I just don't know the route. Okay, so now we're heading towards Koloan. And I think this is called the Kaho Tunnel because there's a little town called Kaho that's on the other side of it. It's also part of Macau. Very narrow street in Kaho. I have filmed in there, and it's basically a 2-lane road, but throughout the town it's so narrow that only one car can go through. So it's kind of not so desirable to go in there because you have to go kind of slow. Okay. So yeah, you can already see all the more construction stuff. That's the tower up there. actually, I guess for some viewers, they might not know that Macau has these kinds of things as well. These mountains, these pine trees everywhere, kind of forest, a prison. And to go up there, we need to take a right. So we're gonna follow that up there. Let me see if I can go up there. Oh, there's even a little park right here. I didn't know there was a park next to the prison. Huh. And then look at this. There's some big white, like this thing right up there. Ah, there's people up there. So that actually tells me that that's like a dam or something like that people can walk around up there. Didn't know about that. Oh lordy. And this says the correctional services. So we're coming up on the backside of the prison. And then we can keep on going up. Yeah, it's kind of weird that there's a road like this that's on the backside of the prison like this. And I didn't even know that this is a road you could really do until recently. I just found it out about like a few weeks ago, to be honest. Sometimes you know, you can live in a place for 10 years like I have, and then suddenly learn something new. And I wonder how many other people didn't know that this was here like this. Then once you're here, you get all these views. So that's where the East Asia Games is right there, right? So we were just there a little while ago. So that's all those casinos that we just saw. The bridge. And I'm going to stop here and take a look around. Okay, so there's a hiking trail in here. Let's just see what the trail is, and then we're going to take a look at the view. Okay, so this is Cajo Reservoir Natural Park in the Coloan Northeast Hiking Trail Network. So you can hike along that way, and I think that might take you to that one church that we saw down there as well. Very amazing. Oh yeah, okay. So I think I saw that up on the hill. I couldn't really see it very well before. And now we got a view of the Cotai Strip. So yeah, we started down that way, down by the East Asia Games, right? So we saw that big arena. We were driving down that way. You wouldn't have imagined that that would have turned into this. That's actually really beautiful. We also went by that one as well. This that was the Lisboa, and then the Grand Lisboa Palace right there as well. And then you can see the airport in the distance down there. And those are the factories. And then we got some other people up here too. Very amazing. Yeah, that's the Cotai Strip right over there. So straight ahead is the Parisian and the Studio City. And then that bridge that's next to the Studio City's here, and then there's a bridge right there. And that bridge goes to Zhuhai, Hengqin, China. And then that was the road that we took right there. And that was a factory that we could see as well. And you got the view of the ocean all the way in the back there as well. Very amazing. I should probably hike some trails and do some videos about that. I think it's going to start getting better weather soon, and I will. Okay. So that was the tunnel that we just did, the Cajo tunnel. So we went through the mountain. Pretty cool. It's kind of like new cement, I think. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.